Now, one that watches videos of heretics is going to be led to think of heresy and ask heretical questions. Those heretical questions don't make themselves up. And therefore, a person needs to know that Sefer Vayikra, chapter 19, verse number 4, the Gemara in Masechet Brachot, page 12b says, "V'lo taturu achei levavchem ve'achei einechem," that you shall not turn after your hearts and your eyes, is also referring to the prohibition of thinking thoughts of heresy. And included in this prohibition is one that directs his mind to thoughts that are contrary to Da'at Torah, that could even lead one to heretical thoughts, as the Sefer HaChinuch in Mitzvah 387 says. So here we see that one could easily use everything I just said and sanctify his life tonight by removing all of these dangers. Dangerous thoughts, dangerous books, magazines, whatever dangers is relevant to what we just said. Or they could just simply discount all of it and say, come on, fanatic.